Alright, go ahead and title your note 7.3 Showing Triangles Are Similar Using Angle-Angle Similarity Postulate. So for this section, we're going to focus on this postulate, the angle-angle similarity postulate. And what this postulate says that if you have two angles of one triangle congruent to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. So if you can see here, angle K and angle Y are congruent. And the statement for that is down here. Angle K is congruent to angle Y. And then we also have here that angle J is congruent to angle X. And that statement is right there. Right? Those double lines show that those are congruent. So if you have two angles, right, angle-angle, that are congruent, then we can conclude that triangle JKL, which is this triangle JKL, is similar to triangle XYZ, which is this triangle right here. And that's that statement. And keep in mind that that's the symbol for similar. Okay, so in this example, we're asked to determine whether the triangles are similar. And if they are similar, write a similarity statement. So here we can see that this angle right here is equal to 90 degrees. And if we're familiar with the sum of the interior angles of a triangle, we know that all three angles add up to 180. So if I have H, since H is equal to 61 and G is equal to 90, let me just make a note of that, 61 degrees plus 90 degrees, right? Plus, let me add those up. So if I add those up, I'm going to get, put a 1 there and 151, right? 151 degrees between those two angles. So to get the third angle, F, I can simply subtract 151 from 180. And if I subtract that, I will get 29, and this is degrees. So this is 29 right here, 29 degrees. So with that information, I don't need to look any further because now I have two angles that are congruent. I have angle G. Angle G is congruent to angle L, right? Here's L right there. And angle F is congruent to angle J. And that's enough information to show that these two triangles are similar. Let me erase this over here to give myself some room. So now, the similarity statement that I'm going to write, I'm going to say that triangle GHF is similar to triangle LKJ. LKJ. And I'm done. Okay, for this example, we're asked if we have enough information to show that triangle RST is similar to triangle RUV. If we see RST is this upper triangle and triangle RUV is this bigger triangle. So do we have enough information to show that those two triangles are similar? Well, we know that angle S is congruent to angle U, right? Because they're both, if we see here, they're both equal to 48 degrees. And if you look closer, if you look at angle R, I'm going to point at it through here like this. Angle R, notice that both of these triangles, the blue one and the orange one, they both share angle R. So both of those triangles have angle R in common, and angle R is congruent to angle R. So here we have two angles, and that's enough to use the angle-angle similarity postulate. So here we're going to say that yes, we do have enough information.